Welcome to Top Maths. Maths is easy. It just needs practice, practice, and practice.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप? आज शुरू करेंगे आपका सेकंड चैप्टर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. लेट्स सी जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. व्हाट इज दैट? इफ any equation is written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, x is variable, and value of a should not be 0, these conditions are there, then this type of equation is known as quadratic equations. Means there must be a term with x square, y square like that. Why? Because if a is 0, condition is a is not equal to 0, but if a becomes 0, then ax square term itself will be 0, right? And if this is 0, what we have remained with? Bx plus c is equals to 0. This is not a quadratic equation, right? There must be a term where x square and a is should not be 0. A can be anything, right? Then that type of equation is called as quadratic equation, and the general form is ax square then bx plus c is equals to 0. Means there must be one x square term, there must be one term with coefficient b and variable as x, and there must be a term with normal any number is equals to 0. That type of equation is called quadratic equation general form. Okay, now let's solve this table which is given in your book. What they have given? Quadratic equations general form we have to write, a b c value we have to write. पहला तो उन्होंने सॉल्व करके दिया है. x square minus 4 is equals to 0. Here when they write x square minus 4, the middle term is missing bx, right? So what should be the general form? X square plus 0x minus 4 is equals to 0. Means what? If I write 0x, the value is itself is 0, correct? And if I add 0 in any equation, the value will not change. But equation changes in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. General form means what? I require ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Correct? Now you can see ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 in this form they have given. What is value of a then? Coefficient of x square, nothing means 1. What is value of b? Coefficient of x, that is 0. Value of c, the only number which is minus 4. Correct? Now let's solve this. Y square is equals to 2y minus 7. क्या लिखोगे? Y square plus 2y will be minus 2y on left side. Minus 7 will be plus 7 on left side is equals to 0. Understood this? Now, value of a is nothing but coefficient of y square. Nothing means 1. Value of b, coefficient of y, that is minus 2. Value of c, the only number, that is 7. Okay. Now, x square plus 2x is 0. What is missing here? The last term is missing, right? So, I will write x square plus 2x, and if I add 0, the value will not change, but my equation will come in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now, what value of a is nothing but coefficient of x square, that is here 1 only. Value of b, coefficient of x, that is 2. And value of c, the last number is 0. समझ में आ रहा है ये concept? Now, we have to see one more concept. Values of variable. इसमें variable क्या था? X था, Y था, right? The values of variable which satisfy the equation means ऐसी value जो अगर इस equation में हम लोग भरते हैं तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 0. Left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Thus, those values are called satisfying values of the equation. And उसे क्या कहेंगे हम? The values of variable which satisfy the equation are called solutions of that equations, or it is also called as roots of the equation. Correct? उसे क्या कहेंगे हम, सॉल्यूशन या फिर रूट। जैसे कि हमने इसके पहले वाले चैप्टर में हम लोग सॉल्यूशन लिखते थे ना, व्हाट इज सॉल्यूशन इन फर्स्ट चैप्टर, वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई, राइट। हियर there is only one variable x, or here only variable one is y, right? Then we get two solutions. Values of x will be 2 times, and those values are called solutions, or they are also called as roots of the quadratic equation. ये है अपना इस quadratic equation chapter का 2.1 एक्सरसाइज का कंसेप्ट। अभी चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज 2.1 की तरफ। ओके, so are you ready? Yes. Best of luck and thank you.
Thank you for watching Top Maths.